My aunt put this in her hair and now she's 85% longer, just in 18 days. This is a testimony of a neighbor of Benamagrel. Lately there has been a growing interest in natural beauty products, such as the use of honey, coconut oil and olive oil, replacing conventional hair care. While we use less chemical treatments to maintain the health of our hair and skin, the search for natural alternatives has led us to find the beauty pack in remote regions of the world, where women have long hair and using a very natural method. Watermelon water is the secret. The secret to a strong, shiny and long hair originates in the most remote areas of the planet. The women of these places are known for their long, shiny, gray hair. Most of the women in these places have very long hair. Yes, for many years, generations of women have used watermelon to wash their hair, which has resulted in that impressive beautiful hair. It has been a secret applied for centuries, even by princesses of very ancient times. How to make and use this old and cheap hair wash. 1. Wash a cup of watermelon to remove any dirt. 2. Place in a bowl and cover with water for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. 3. Strain water into a plastic bottle. 4. Leave it at room temperature for a day or until it becomes slightly acidic and begins to ferment. 5. Pour in a pot, boil and let cool. 6. Add a few drops of essential oil of tea, lavender or rosemary. 7. Use this water as an alternative shampoo, massaging gently on your scalp and throughout your hair. 8. Rinse everything thoroughly. If you cook watermelon 2 or 3 times a week, you should be able to collect enough watermelon water for 2 or 3 washes.